Hello guys, and welcome back to MLS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Call of Duty. It's just basically not running, like the servers aren't fixing, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you guys want to do is, first of all you have to first download the update file. If the game has not been updated, like let's just say you went into Call of Duty and then you just done to start without updating, it's obviously not going to work. You're not going to be able to use like the online features. So you're basically not going to be able to play. So first thing, just make sure that the game has been updated. The second method you guys can do, I don't really recommend this, but you could do it if you want. You can delete the game and then re-download it, but that is going to take a while. And yeah, but you can do that as well. And the third thing you guys can do is simply just turn off your PlayStation and then turn it back on. Then just restart your PS5, just check to see if that works. And that should work as well. And if everything else fails, it might be a error on the developer's end, and there's really not much you can do. So the best thing you do is just wait it out. And yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.